Welcome to my channel where we make money online. We do crypto stocks and also help small businesses to grow, start and stay compliant. My name is Lindy Sherris and today I'm going to show you how to create an account on TD Markets and get verified step by step using both your phone and also your desktop. TDM, it is a brand of TD Markets, Pty Ltd and crypto asset service provider under the license number 49128. TD Markets, it is a South African-based broker with operations connected to South Africa. It is a trading platform where you can trade Forex and other financial markets. When it comes to depositing in South Africa, we often have a problem, but then with TD Market, you can use also instant EFT or normal EFT. Also connect directly to your South African banks like Capitec, FNB, Standard Bank, Nedbank, and allows fast payments. So we'll go through everything step by step so you can follow along easily even if you are a beginner. So let's go to my laptop. Let's start with a phone because most people are using a phone. So when you go to my TikTok account, you will click my link tree. After clicking my link tree, it will give you a link which you can click and connect to TDME. So as you can see, it's TDME crypto exchange. You click it and it will open this screen. So in this screen, you have to enter your details like your name, your surname, and after your surname, your cell phone number. Make sure that you don't add the 0 because we already have +27. And you add your email address. You create your password. Make sure that your password have characters and also numbers so that no one can crack your password. So you confirm your password. After confirming your password, you will see that right at the bottom, the referral code will be auto-populated. You do not need to enter that. And after you would click create an account. So after clicking create an account, it will take you to this page where you will go to your email address and get the code which you can enter here in order for you to continue. So I am on my email address and I'll go back to the screen and paste the code. So you click confirm. Now you are able to continue. So the next step after confirming your email address, you will start with verification. So from here, you can complete verification. From here, click complete verification. And then for an individual, you use individual. For a company, you would use company. That is if you selected company when you entered your personal details. So you continue with your verification. Let's wait for it to continue. So you click continue here to be able to continue. So after you have to agree to terms and conditions, you just scroll down and you will see that button where it allows you to continue. So agree and continue. After agreeing, you have to enter your email here in order to create your sub account. So this is where your documents will be stored, and also is for KYC, know your customer. So you need to get verified. This just shows that this company is a verified company, is a legit company, because you have to verify and your details are safely stored in the system. So it basically does the checks for you. So once you are in, you'll be able to upload your documents. You'll be able to take a selfie so that they can see your face as well, just to verify that you are a human. So after here, you can select if you want to use your card, take a picture of your card, and also enter your email your ID number here, and it will take you to a selfie part. So get your camera ready, take a photo, you click capture and it will open the camera. Once it opens your camera, you will be able and be directed. Where it's green, it will say it's done. So if it says go to the right, shift your face and you'll be done. So your selfie is done. Next, you will upload your identity document, your proof of address. So sometimes if your proof of address is not accepting, you can just use your 3 months bank statement as well. There are other documents which you can use. And after, you can be able to submit all the other documents, but you need to see green in all. So you can just resubmit until you are fine. So let me just submit. the documents as well. This is my address as well. So as you can see, it's uploaded. You click continue and then it will verify my address. After verifying my address, my profile is created. So I am now ready to go to my account. So when you go to settings now, you will see that the account is actually verified. So you can log in by clicking sign in, and at the top right, you'll see the three lines, so you can click that. And dashboard, you will see your main screen, like your amounts, the amount that you have on your dashboard. But when you click settings, you'll be able to see that you are verified. So you need to see this before doing anything, guys. So let's just continue now to desktop. So if you are using a laptop as well, you can go to my YouTube channel, click the latest video, under it, under comments, you will see the referral link. So I do not want you guys to struggle when you want the referral link. So can you see under comments there, you will see trading with TDME, join, click that link, you'll be able to. But if you're doing it on TikTok, you can also click my link tree and you will be able to be taken to this part. So let's just click it and then you will get to this page where we'll be able to also enter first name, last name, and also the cell phone number. Remember, do not add the 0 because we have +27 and the email address, password, and confirm your password. Make sure that your password is not just a password that can be easily cracked. You can add characters and numbers, and make sure that the code here that is generated is this generated code. Confirm your password, and my code is this one. It will be auto-populated if you use my referral link. Once you are done, you create the account. And the same step, guys, you enter your email address to verify, and after you will go to your email address and verify. So once we are here, there's 2 ways or 3 ways you can actually verify your account. You can go to your email address and you will get an email that states that you can verify your account. So this one you get after maybe waiting a bit. You will see you can upload your documents from here and it will take you to this page. Do not get confused with all the ads. Look at where it says you will be redirected in 3 seconds. Wait for it to finish and you will be redirected. But there's another way where you can also get verified by logging into your account and then go to your profile and then click settings. Once you are on settings, you'll be able to click verify. So let's just go there. As you can see, it's not verified. Just go to verification and you'll be able to select an individual if you use an individual details, or you can select company and then you click continue. After clicking continue, it will take you to the very same step where you accept and agree and you enter your email address so that you can start a verification using some sub. Remember, it's know your customer KYC. This is done by banks and also institutions to verify that you are a person. So all your details are stored safely, and then after you enter, you start the verification. And also you have to get the OTP from your email address to verify your email address. And then after you enter it, your account is created. So next time when you want to get verified, even if it's not in TDME, you can use some sub to verify. Your details will already be stored there. So just create an account and your details will be stored there and safely stored. So let's just continue. You do the same thing. You enter your IDs. You can use your passport, driver's license, identity card, even the resident payment. So you can just select. So let's just select continue. And if you want to use a phone, you can also send these details by just scanning this code. So you upload the documents like we did with the phone, and you continue with that up until you uploaded everything. Remember, if it doesn't work, you can also start the submission again. It means something is not clear. You didn't use the light when you took your ID card, and maybe you are not in a good, maybe the identity, the proof of address is not right. So just make sure that you get the right one. So as I'm uploading mine, you can also contact support if there is any issues. So as you can see, my address is getting verified. After I will be done, my profile has been created and I am ready now to go back. So if I go to settings now, you'll see that it's still not verified. So just refresh your screen and you'll be able to see that it is now refreshed. This takes a few seconds, guys. You do not need to wait for days for this to be verified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video.